I told Pat I'm a visitor here. I normally go to another church, but I'm here doing media. Thank the Lord that I'm learning to something that I feel dear and near to my heart. But I've been struggling with so many things lately. I've broken up with an abusive relationship, and I've had so many things in my life that I'm just regretting, so many things with men and just with myself. And I'm trying to learn to forgive myself and to move on so I can be a better person. And it's so hard. It's so hard to really believe that Jesus is going to forgive me for things that I cannot change. And I wish I could go back and change, but I can't. And just to hear that word moved me today. This is where I needed to be. I go to another church home, and this wasn't the message. This was the message I needed to hear. This is where I needed to be. So I thank you so much for inviting me. And, for me getting up this morning, I told Pastor I was sick last night. I was sick. My stomach was hurting. I'm like, oh, gosh, I hope I don't have to call him and cancel. And thank the Lord I didn't. He got me well. He got me up this morning to be in this right place to hear this. And I know it's so many young women, that's my age, that they don't have people. They didn't grow up in the church. My mama was young, so she didn't grow up, take me up in the church, so I didn't get these things, to know these things about myself, to know that I was loved, and to know that God was there for me. Now I know this, and I'm struggling with it, but I'm moving on, and I really thank you for that message today. And I mark that passage so that anytime I have those feelings that, I just wish I could start over. I wish I could rewind. I can just take that comfort to know that Jesus says you don't have to rewind. You can move on because I love you. I already did that for you. I already knew you was going to do that, and guess what? I've already marked that away for you. So just keep moving, and I thank you all so much for being here with me today. And I hope that my mom's watching this. I just want her to know I love her, and she's going through some sick things. She has a lot of illness on her, but God's moving her. She keeps her moving, waking her up, and, having a smile on her face to say, baby, keep moving. She only offers me good advice, and I thank her for being in my life. And thank you again, Pastor. Amen.